G'day Australia, Corin from Universal Fuse here. We've just packed up a sweet little Clarion Subwoofer and amplifier pack for Mr. Mackenzie in Greystanes, New South Wales. And I just want to show you a little bit about this rad rig. It's something we've got advertised on the website, but we haven't had a chance to do up a DIY installation video yet. This is for a VF Commodore, in this circumstance a wagon. Now, what we have done for Mr. Mackenzie is built up a plug and play interface that goes at the back of his audio unit in the VF wagon. So you unplug the factory harness from the back of the VF audio system and plug in our interceptor harness, which then has the high level input wires that go through to the compact amplifier. Now this amplifier in the VF will install right near the battery. It's got a short battery cable that we've pre-terminated with the fuse for Mr. Mackenzie, ground cable, and then the sub cable that goes out to the subwoofer, which he'll squeeze and tuck in the back in the back wagon area. Nice and compact little sub, so it won't take up too much of the cargo bay. And that is pretty much it. It's quick and easy for Mr. Mackenzie. There's an extension accessories lead wire here, which will run through to connect to the VF accessories wire location under the glove box. Check out our other videos to see a detailed video of where to find that if you're looking for accessories in your VF ute, sedan or wagon. Thanks for your business, Mr. Mackenzie. I hope you have a blast installing this DIY and enjoying new thumping sub-bass beats in your wagon. Take it easy, subscribe, hit the button below, come visit us at www.universalfuse.com.au for packs for your car or our Audiocom stores in Western Australia.